In this lecture, we are going to complete the collection of top organic keywords using other SEO tools. First, let's start with similarweb.com. Click on the search icon on the floating toolbar. Skip the website's own brand name keywords, if any, such as Bright Hand or Gotta Be Mobile, and then shortlist all the other keywords such as decrypt or XF, 3.1 amps charger versus 2.4 amps charger, best phone for Microsoft Office, etc. Add them to our previous shortlisted keywords from SEMrush in the same spreadsheet. Now let's move on to Gotta Be Mobile. Go to search icon. You can see the keywords as iOS 11.1, iPhone SE2, iOS 11.1.2, and OnePlus 5T cases. Let's add these keywords too. Though these are not long tail keywords, they are new at the time of recording this video. If a keyword is new, then it means not many websites are writing about it, which means the competition is low. You should act fast to add highly relevant content on these keywords in your website to capture users who are searching for these keywords in Google. So far, we have used Ubersuggest and similar web tools to extract top organic keywords from brighthand.com and gottabemobile.com. You can also use some other tools such as SpyFu and Alexa to extract further more keywords. But generally, these tools give diminishing returns, which means the quantity and the quality of keywords that you get from these two tools doesn't worth the effort you put. Then why I introduce you to these two tools? In some cases, you might not be able to find enough competitor websites. In those cases, you can use SpyFu and Alexa to extract a few more organic keywords with the limited number of competitors you have arrived at. Now, I'm going to quickly walk you through the keyword collection process from phonedog.com in all four SEO tools. First, let's start with Ubersuggest. Here is the overview analysis of phonedog.com. Let's move on to keyword analysis and export the data to a CSV file. After opening that file in Microsoft Excel, I formatted it to a table and added the following number filters. 1. Search volume greater than or equal to 1000. 2. Search position less than or equal to 10. 3. Search difficulty less than or equal to 40. After applying these filters, I got around 8 resultant keywords. Let me copy the top 5 to 6 resultant keywords into the shortlisted keywords Excel sheet. Once done, let's move on to the next SEO tool, SimilarWeb. Skipping the website name and outdated keywords, we get Razer phone, OnePlus 5T, and Samsung Galaxy J7 Sky Pro Essential phone. Let me copy these keywords too to the Excel sheet. Now we are going to move to the less important SEO tools in terms of top organic keywords alone, because SpyFu is the best user-friendly tool to find competitors, and Alexa is the best tool to find the global ranking of a website. But when it comes to keyword research, these two are not as good as Ubersuggest or SimilarWeb. Moving to SpyFu, enter the website name and press Enter key on keyboard. Then scroll down to top keywords and click View All Organic Keywords. Like SimilarWeb, you get 5 keywords sorted based on click value per month in descending order. You need to look for keywords with monthly searches more than 5,000 and ranking difficulty less than 30. If you don't get any keyword falling into that criteria, then look for keywords with monthly searches greater than 1000 and ranking difficulty less than 25. Even after this, I cannot find any keywords from PhoneDog website in SpyFu. If you find any in your niche or from your competitor website, then copy it to Excel sheet and move on to the next tool, that is Alexa. Come to alexa.com and scroll down to browse top sites. Here, enter the website and press enter key. Let me enter phonedog.com and click find. Scroll down to find top keywords from search engines. Alexa also displays the top 5 organic keywords only. Take the keywords which you haven't added already and copy it to the Excel sheet. After looking at the keywords, you might wonder, Alexa seems to be a worthy tool for keywords. Then why Arun mentioned it as not so worthy tool? Well, actually the keyword list stands good for websites that has a global ranking close to 100,000 or less. With the increase in global ranking of a competitor website beyond 100,000, the keyword list is updated not so frequently. So you can rely on alexa.com for top keywords from competitor websites whose global ranking is less than 200,000 and not more than that. So we have got around 30 top organic keywords from 3 competitor websites using 3 SEO tools such as SimilarWeb, Ubersuggest, and Alexa. In this manner, if you look for around 10 competitor websites, you can easily collect up to 100 top organic keywords. Don't worry, we are not going to write articles on each one of them. We need to validate these keywords and then you will shortlist them from 30 to 40 keywords which are in trend now and which will give you a decent traffic in the near future. This process is called keyword validation. We will do this using Google Trends in the next lecture. While starting or creating a new website, you can start writing articles on these resulting keywords with highly SEO optimized content to quickly rank on the front page of Google. If your article or news is highly relevant to the keyword you're targeting, then users will spend more time on your site. The bounce rate will get reduced and your ranking will improve further and stay on top for a long time until your competitor writes a much better content than yours. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use Google Trends to validate keywords.